Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to MT Paradise's Cars and Collectibles. So today's video we have a Hot Wheel case unboxing, and obviously we have the Case K. This is a really awesome case from a couple little clips I've seen. I didn't really want to look at too much just because I actually like to be surprised when I do these case unboxings. But this one is actually in fairly decent condition compared to a lot of the ones I typically do get. I do get the international version like this one is, and I get a bunch of US versions as well, which those are a little bit further behind. But this case just came in. I'm excited to bust it open. But while I bust it open, I do want to mention I do have a giveaway going on my merch store. I'm giving away this Hot Wheel RLC 71 AMC Javelin AMX. This thing is really cool. It's even like super detailed as well. And it is a very limited run. There's 30,000 and this is number 213. So it's actually a really low production number. But if you guys are interested in picking that up, I will have it on my merch store. Let me go ahead and lay this down carefully. But let's go ahead and cut this open. But if you guys are interested in checking out my merch store, it's going to be shop.mtparadise.com. Honestly, a lot of the Hot Wheels from this case will likely be on my merch store as well. So if you guys are interested, definitely go check it out. And you guys can snag some of these cars because there's definitely going to be duplicates. And a lot of the duplicates do end up on my merch store as well. The damaged cars do not, so don't worry. But let's go ahead and get this open up, set it off to the side. But let's go ahead and move this out of the way and get started with the case unboxing. So starting off right up on top. Wow, okay, so we got a really cool car right off the bat. We got the yellow Pagani Zonda R, which that car in real life is one of my favorites. The 24/7 and the Baja Bison T5. Oh, wow, we actually got the treasure hunt. So it's not the Batman animated series Batmobile, but it's actually this bone shaker. I looked up a picture right beforehand just to make sure, but that right there is the treasure hunt. I actually think that looks pretty cool. It's really subtle. There's the little red treasure hunt logo right there. I don't know if you guys can really see that, but then also, let me flip this around here. Behind the car right there is the treasure hunt logo. So that right there shows you definitely this is a treasure hunt. Man, like what are the chances right off the bat, right up on the, was it second pole? Wow, that's pretty crazy, and it's in great condition too. Wow, okay, I'm a little shocked about how lucky we got with that. Now I'm really hoping that we can get the super treasure hunt because that would be really awesome. But let me go ahead, set that off to the side so nothing happens to it. And the Batmobile looks pretty cool with the little yellow stripes there on top. And then we also have the Groo-mobile from Despicable Me, or I guess this is from the Minions. So there's that. We did see it before, and it did say Despicable Me up there. But it's essentially the exact same vehicle. Alright, so next up we have... Ooh, okay, that's interesting. So we have the Dragster, which is kind of like a drag car tractor combo, which is that's actually pretty wild. Okay, this case I'm kind of like thrown off with it already, but all right. We have the Rally Speciale and the Shelby Cobra 24/7 SC, which when I first saw that I actually thought it was a Zamac car, but then kind of realized that this is an international case and we should not have a Zamac, but it does have like the Zamac finish on it, which I think is pretty cool. It's like a legit Zamac, but unofficial. So that's pretty cool if you guys are interested in seeing that kind of up close. That is pretty interesting. Alright. Ooh, okay, so we got the later Crater, the Pontiac Aztec Custom in a new color, and then the Birthday Burner, which is pretty cool. Ooh, okay, we got a interesting car and a cool car. We have the Rank Racer, which is pretty interesting. Oh, it actually has a special feature, and the top piece comes off. So I'm curious kind of what that does. But then we also have the 90 Accurate NSX, which is really cool, nice subtle look to it, and the Total Disposal. Ooh, okay, so we got the, well, not the Chrysler Pacifica, but we did get that. But the McLaren P1 finished in that really, really nice blue. I actually really like that car. And we also have another Acura NSX, which is pretty awesome. It's kind of weird seeing some duplicates that close to each other in a case. So that's pretty interesting. See what else we got. Oh, okay, we got a car I've been really looking forward to. We got the 96 Porsche Carrera. It's actually the Magnus Walker theme. I think that looks absolutely amazing. I'm definitely going to be adding one of these to the Hot Wheels 6-lane raceway. I do YouTube shorts every single day with racing Hot Wheels, and the color scheme on that looks absolutely amazing. So this one's actually like in perfect condition. And if I do get another one that's damaged, I will open that one, put it on my 6-lane raceway, and that would then put this one on my merch store for one of you guys to be able to pick up. But we also have the 84 Mustang SVO, and we have the Nissan Skyline 2000 GTR Liberty Walk, which that looks absolutely insane. We did actually have this before in a nice blue color, but it's really cool seeing that again in gray. And the same thing with this. If I get duplicates, there definitely will be one of these on my merch store as well. So you do not want to miss out on that. That is such an awesome car. Let's see what else we got. This card's kind of weird. Ooh, okay. So we got the 95 Mazda RX-7, the Lamborghini Sesto Elemento, and a really nice white with red accents. I really like that. And then a 73 Jeep J10. Man, this case already has some like amazing cars I'm really excited about. Wow. Alright, so we have another Rink Racer, a T-Rex Royer, and another Total Disposal. Alright, we have the Baja Bison T5, the Speed Bump, which is actually like a crushed car, so it's kind of cool. And then the Custom 68 Camaro, finished in a nice white with red accents. Oh, did I miss one? Okay, yeah. So we have the Mod Rod, the 70 Dodge Charger, and it's actually from Fast and the Furious, and I think that looks really cool. We did see that in a previous case, and I actually do have one of these available if you guys are interested. ShopMTParadise.com. This one actually has a crease on the corner of the card right there. So I'm probably actually going to end up opening up this one itself and put it with my Hot Wheels 6-lane raceway, which would be pretty cool. But I still do also have another one available on my merch store. Or at least as this video was filmed, I still have it available. So if I can check it out. And we also have a Mailed It. Alright, and the last three for the first half of the case. Ooh, wow, okay, so that one's kind of cool. We got the Track Wagon, which is kind of interesting. And I know a lot of people ask me to do wagon races on the Hot Wheels 6-lane raceway. This is kind of like a generic or fantasy car, which typically I don't really open these and put them on there, but I might actually hold on to that for you guys because it is a wagon, and some people like to see pink cars racing, and the whole bottom of that is metal and pink. So that's pretty cool and pretty interesting. But we also have the Transformers Bumblebee, the Volkswagen Beetle, and I think that is absolutely amazing, and it even has the logo right there on the hood. I know the Optimus Prime, like the RLC one, was like the first kind of like Hot Wheel collaboration like with Hasbro, which, let's see, yeah, that is weird. So you look at all of these, you have like the sponsored brands, and it's weird seeing the Hasbro logo right there on a Hot Wheel. So that's pretty cool. And this one is also in perfect condition, or actually it's almost perfect. If I do get another one that's damaged, I definitely want to put one of these on my Hot Wheels 6-lane raceway. But then we also have a 95 Mazda RX-7. Alright, let's go ahead and pull out this divider here. Alrighty. And start up on top. Okay, I feel like they're kind of sitting there a little weird. Wait, what? I'm really confused. I feel like way too many cars are coming out here. Alright, let's just grab these few. Ooh, okay, so we got another McLaren P1 with that really nice blue color. A new DeLorean Alpha 5 in a nice kind of bronze color. We did see that before. Then we also saw it when it first came out in a white. Then we have another later crater. right. And that car came off with those. So we have another, another, because we got it in the last case, the Mad Mike Drift Attack. It's actually a Mazda 787, but that looks really cool in that matte blue. But we also have a Mercedes Unimog 1300L. And then the 69 Mercury Cougar Eliminator. That looks really nice, and that color looks really good as well. Let me know what you guys think of that. Wow, I actually really like that. Alrighty. Ooh, wow, this is an epic pull. Oh my gosh. So we got another Magnus Walker 96 Porsche Carrera, but we also got the all-new 2020 Koenigsegg Jesko finished in a really, really nice purple color, and I think that looks absolutely amazing. But this, not only this is a car I've been looking forward to, but I did see the next car online. We have the Bugatti Bolide finished in a yellow. We did previously see this car in blue, and it's really awesome to see that in yellow. I think that is so cool. I'm definitely going to have one of these for the Hot Wheels 6-lane raceway. All of these cars are like actually in great condition. Sometimes I kind of hope that the cars I want are damaged, so I kind of have an excuse to bust one open. I'm not going to bust open any of these cars that are in great condition, because like if I throw them on my merch store, when you guys might be able to pick one of these up and have it for your personal collection. I think this is absolutely amazing. This is in great condition, so I'm not going to bust this one open, but if I get another one that is damaged, same drill. This one will probably end up on my merch store, but we will see. Oh my gosh, this case just keeps getting better and better. All right, we got another weird shaped one. Let's see what it is. Oh, okay, we got the Duck and Roll in a nice glow-in-the-dark color. Another Track Dwagon. And then the 1966 Triumph Tiger 100. I think that looks pretty cool. So that's kind of what felt weird, is the fact that it's a motorcycle. The package is all unique. Okay, yeah. Oh, okay. Well... Dang. So, and then I get damaged cars that I want to open, and I'm disappointed because they're damaged. Wow, that definitely was a packaging error. Luckily, it's not one I really care to open. But dang, look at how mangled that is. Oh my gosh. Yeah, that's been bent like that for a while. So that's the Tracknator. And then we also have the 2010 Camaro SS. And that package is actually really good. It has like a slight little curve to it, but other than that, it's actually in great condition. And then the other car, we actually have the kind of new recolor, the tuned Porsche 911 Turbo 3.6, and it is a Porsche 964. You guys can kind of see it's like a little bit of a red color. We did previously see this in a all black, so it's kind of cool seeing it with kind of like a dark maroon, or kind of like a, I don't know how to really describe that, but also it has like the blue windows there as well. And the other one just has regular windows, and this one, it is blue. So yeah, this one got beat up, but then also look at that card right there. There's really no fixing that. And it's actually, it might have been messed up in the actually putting it on, because the plastic itself and the clamshell is actually messed up. But that's unfortunate, but hey, I guess at least now I have a good excuse to be able to open that and put it on my 6-lane raceway alongside the black one I already have. Alright, let's see. We have another DeLorean Alpha 5, another yellow Pagani Zonda R, and another 70 Dodge Charger. And this one is actually in great condition. At least I also have a couple of these on my store, and then if you guys are interested in picking that up, you can. And I'm also going to be able to have one for my 6-lane raceway. So that's pretty cool. It kind of works out. It's a win-win. Let's see what else is in here. I always thought there was, well, I guess I've also seen 3 of each car with certain ones. We got a triple. So we have the Surf Duty right here, but we have a third McLaren P1, which honestly I would love to add one of these to my racetrack. And man, they're all like in great condition as well. So if you guys are interested in picking up one of those, I do have some of those available. And then also another custom 68 Camaro. It's kind of weird. Like the first time I've actually seen like 3 of the same car of something cool. Alright, so then we have the Birthday Burner, a Mitsubishi Pajero Evolution in a really nice orange, and then a Nolund Hypervan. It's kind of interesting. I guess a new one. Or maybe they just brought it back after a while. We're getting pretty close to the bottom. Okay. Another Mad Mike Drift Attack. Another Nolund Hypervan. I don't know if you see the name of that there. And then another Mod Rod. Alright, let's see what this is next. Man, these cars are heavy. But I got another one of those Shelby Cobra 427 SCs, which kind of has like that Zamac finish on it. Another 69 Mercury Cougar Eliminator, which looks really good. And another 92 Ford Mustang. Alright, so we only have like 6 cars left. We have not pulled the Super Treasure Hunt, and we have not pulled out the car that would be the Super Treasure Hunt if it is in here. We haven't even gotten the regular version of that yet either. So I'm really hoping in the next, or I guess there's only 2 pulls left, I'm really hoping we at least get the Super. And all these cars have been in great condition too, so I'm really hoping that it's in here. But let's see. And actually would have been this pull, but we did not get the Super. There's the Batman Animated Series Batmobile, but it is the Mazda 787B. This is the normal version, and I think it looks absolutely amazing. That car is such a crazy car, and the design on the front looks really good. Even says Mazda across the front. Down the side has that giant wing that says Mazda. I think that's such an awesome car, and to get that in a Super Treasure Hunt would have been absolutely amazing. I still think it's like really cool, and this one is in great condition, so maybe in some upcoming case unboxings, or maybe like once they start popping up in the stores, I'll be able to get one of these, but like kind of like a damaged card or something, so I'll be able to open them up and add one of these to my 6-lane raceway. And then we also have another 2010 Camaro SS. And we still got 3 more cars to pull out, so let's see what we got. Alright, so we have the Desert Drifter, another Duck and Roll, and another Mitsubishi Pajero Evolution. That case actually had some really awesome cars. Some of them I was really excited to be able to pick up, and I absolutely love some of these. But definitely put it down in the comments down below which one is your guys' favorite. But also, if you guys want to pick up a lot of these cars, they are available as this video goes live. They're available on my merch store, so definitely go check it out. So shopmtparadise.com, or there's going to be a link in the description down below to go check it out. And like I said, if you guys pick up some of these, you can automatically get entered into the giveaway. But if you guys did like the video, go down, hit the like button, subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. And I have a lot of other case unboxing videos coming all the time, and a lot of other awesome videos. But definitely like, subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching.